My name is Mohammad Munibur Rahman. I secured first position in Lahore board by scoring 1100 out of 1100 marks. I completed my matriculation from KIPS School 263E Johor Town. The three things that differentiate a potential topper from an ordinary student are begin with the end in mind and hard work and consistency. Begin with the end in mind means that we should start our work by setting a target and then dividing them into sub-targets. As you know, hard work is the key to success, which can only be achieved with consistency. We need to be consistent in order to achieve our goals. The real challenge that I faced being a topper was time management. I was not able to implement my timetable, but I discussed this problem with my teachers and student counselor, and Alhamdulillah, I got my problem solved. Leader in Me program is a set of 7 habits that can be implemented in any area of life. Yes, of course, I still follow it in my college, especially the habits of be proactive and begin with the end in mind. The credit for my success goes to KIPS teachers and their methodology. Even our minor mistakes were highlighted and marked, and we were told the ways how to improve them. KIPS publications are at most beneficial, especially the note series, as they have given standard answer to every question. And they have also mentioned the year in which it was asked in the board exam. The key secret to my success was work on daily basis as per KIPS methodology, which was instilled in me by KIPS School. The most beneficial thing I found about KIPS School is the KIPS School revision and test session. It really helped me to sharpen myself. I used to take part in co-curricular activities which kept me healthy, and it also helped me to boost my confidence. Talking about recommending someone to join KIPS School, the core reason would be KIPS School revision and test session and student care at KIPS School. I myself brought my younger brother to KIPS School because of the same reason. Yes, KIPS School helped us a lot to handle the pressure during the board exams. We were well aware how to handle it because we had gone through the same practice during the mock exams. Our school did not leave us alone during the pandemic of COVID-19. We used Google Classroom and were given live lectures during lockdown. LMS program was quite handy to refer anytime. In my opinion, continuous practice with keeping the target in mind, work on daily basis, and by taking the advice of parents and teachers seriously makes you a fit guide to secure top position in board exams.
KIPS School, the foundation for life.